And the United Nations General Assembly session is underway in New York, where world leaders have gathered to discuss pressing world issues, mainly the pandemic. On the sidelines of the UNGA, US President Joe Biden convened a virtual COVID summit. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi also was a part in the summit, where he called on nations for mutual recognition of vaccine certificates.
India and the South Africa have proposed a TRIPS waiver at the WTO for COVID vaccines, diagnostic and medicines. This will enable rapid scaling up of the fight against the pandemic. We also need to focus on addressing the pandemic economic effects. To that end, international travel should be made easier through mutual recognition of vaccine certificates.
Modi's statements come as London's travel laws have stirred quite a controversy worldwide, especially in New Delhi. Now, under the new guidelines, a 10-day quarantine is a must for those travelling from India, regardless of their vaccine status. Now, earlier in the day, UK had said that it is not the Indian-manufactured Covishield that's in question, but the vaccine certificate. In his address, Narendra Modi also highlighted that for India to continue manufacturing vaccines, there must be a constant supply of raw materials.
We are also ramping up production capacity of existing vaccines. As our production increases, we will be able to resume vaccine supply to others too. For this, the supply chains of raw materials must be kept open. With our Quad partners, we are leveraging India's manufacturing strength to produce vaccines for the Indo-Pacific region.
Now, Prime Minister Modi is currently on a visit to the United States to attend the 76th UNGA session. While in the United States, Prime Minister Modi will hold bilaterals with world leaders and attend the first in-person Quad summit as well. And our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, has sent us this report from Washington, D.C.
One significant aspect is mutual recognition of certificates, the COVID vaccine certificates, and this is important in the backdrop of the row which has started after the British authorities came up with new border regulations. Other than the fact, the Indian Prime Minister talking about the initiative, the steps India has been taking, providing vaccines to over 95 countries. We know that the Indian Vaccine Matri initiative saw India giving out vaccines, but that was suspended because of the deadly wave of the second wave of the COVID crisis. Now again, India has announced that it's going to export the vaccines, particularly its priority will be the neighboring countries, but the speech also significantly talked about how India and the world can work together in dealing with this crisis. One significant aspect was making sure that the raw material supply should be open. That was one of the key reasons which was making the headlines earlier this year after India was struck by that deadly wave.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.